Want me do my dance, 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 dance. Bands in my pocket. Come and get your mans, far up my rocket.
Yo, what is up? What is up, YouTube? Come back at y'all with a new unboxing. Today we're gonna unbox these Air Max 1s Mystic Dates that I got from StockX, size 10, retail 150. I got them for below that. I think I got them for 138 actually. Let's get straight to the shoes. We got some pictures, postal card, whatever that is, from StockX. StockX sticker, of course, like always. There's the shoe. Let me take both of these off. This one out. Let me put the box to the side. Here's the shoe. The right pair. So you can see the leather, brown leather, white leather, real crisp leather too, buttery. And we got gray. Nike Air in the back. More leather. Gray interior. Brown interior from the top. White laces with the Nike Air Max tongue. Black bottoms. White with white and brown. Bubble like always. The brown just does it for me, bro. It's just crazy. It's gonna go with anything I want to wear. Here's the other shoe. Same thing, brown. They call them Mystic Dates, but these are definitely the mochas. We're just gonna call them the mochas. White laces. Let me get you close to the leather. See if it catches that. Look at that. Brown leather. So push it in. Yeah, man, real crazy shoe. Definitely digging this. Definitely digging the color. Sold out too. Definitely goes with the Travis Scott theme with the brown. Expect these to go up in price too, but I'm rocking mine. Alright, man. Here's the shoe. Another close look. Alright, man. I'll catch you on the next video. I got some more videos coming up, more unboxing, so stay tuned. Peace out.